Hi, this is David Coronado with Coronado Equipment Sales. We're asked a lot of times by our new customers, how do I actually charge my forklift? And they call and they say, my forklift didn't charge last night for the first time. Here's usually what happens. You have a charger cable coming off of your main charger. You should have a charger similar to here that we have. This end has to be plugged into the battery side of your forklift. So this cable is coming straight from the battery, and this is what you connect directly. Don't try to plug it to the actual forklift that's fixed to it, because there's no battery there, so it won't charge anything. So you want to charge the battery. The other important thing is you never want to disconnect the battery charger while it's in use. So if you need to stop your charger, make sure you come up and you press stop on your charger before you disconnect, because you could blow a fuse if not. So hopefully that's a helpful tip for you today. Again, at Coronado Equipment, if you need any used electric forklifts that you need to purchase to add to your fleet, or if you need service done, or if you need to rent any electric forklifts, give us a call. We'd love to be your forklift provider, and hopefully this tip is going to help you and your staff. Have a great day.